Alright guys, what is going on? It's your boy, it's Curly here, back with another episode. Episode 2. So, sounds like, oh my god. Let's go straight with lightning. Oh god, that's a tornado. I'll come back under. Yeah, so I'm just gonna finish up, because right now we're in the middle of a tornado. God, just finish my house soon. Gosh dang it. Gosh freaking dang it. Are we still in the tornado? I can tell. Oh yeah, we are. Look at that. Still in the tornado. I'll leave once this tornado goes. I kind of want to see. Oh yeah, it's pretty much gone. There's a tornado. I need to get there's my weather tower probe. That's where we are. Weather tower. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, so the storm's over. Let's see what we did. I wasn't gonna record today, I was just gonna finish building my house. But the storm happened, so I paused the game. And I was like, well, I might as well record. So, I got directed. Went right over my house. And my house is completely destroyed. So I'm gonna have to rebuild it. Dang. Alright. And then I think after I rebuild it, I'm gonna start on my weather tower. So my weather tower is what's gonna hold all the probes, and so it's gonna put all the probes in place. So what I mean by that is it's basically just going to have a big thingy on front of it, or it's gonna have just like a big thing. We're just gonna say big thing on top of the tower, and then right after that, a storm hits. It should blow away, and thus making it a weather probe. So soon I'm gonna have to get a radar. I have an axe. I'm gonna have to use a radar, or I have to get a radar soon. So I don't know if I have enough. I don't have enough stairs. Definitely don't have enough stairs. Just like raped and pillaged me. So if there's another storm system that comes through, I'm gonna be mad. Because I'm over here always just like, oh, at least one of my birch trees grew. But I'm over here just like, oh man, finally storm. Nope. Destroyed. Friggin' however many hours I put into this house. Like 3. With breaks included, alright guys? You know, it takes a while sometimes. I'm slow. Like my Minecraft. My Minecraft is kind of crappy. But I think what I'm going to do, because I am going to be getting a new computer soon, is I'm probably just going to finish out this series on this computer. And then after that, I'm going to move to my new computer and start season 2. Which would be pretty cool. So I'm going to start doing slabs. Literally like the storm started, and I was like, oh crap. So then I like quickly finished putting in the slabs, and then I just bolted. Like I just bolted inside. And at least I got an okay thumbnail for it. It's always important to get a good thumbnail for your guys' like channel videos. I was gonna say videos. Your guys' videos. enough. I'm not gonna have enough. At least that survived. That's pretty cool. Cause like there's no light, and I wanted everything to be symmetrical, so I made that. So I think I'm gonna do oak wood as the flooring. Cause you know why not is the real question. Why not? So I actually think I might have enough. It's possible. Oh no, I don't have enough. I barely don't have enough. Or maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh yeah, I only have. Oh, you're kidding me. I only need 1. Oh, that's sickening. That is so sickening. Alright, let's see how many stairs. I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm missing this entire section. It's like the storm hit this part dead on, so it ripped like all of it off. It makes me pretty sad. This didn't take down this birch sapling. Or didn't take down this birch tree. Alright, so 25. So I'm only gonna make 1 slab. So 1 slab. "12 stairs is not gonna be enough. I'm gonna venture out and chop some more wood. God, that makes me mad. It was like literally like 2 seconds after I finished the freaking house, a tornado comes through. That's just my luck too. That's gonna be the freaking title's beginner's luck. That makes me kind of mad. You better move your butt, sheep. But also when I was like venturing out, I found a cave, which is pretty cool. So it's somewhere down there, but I don't really feel like going to get it. Or going to look for it. So I have coal. I'm gonna need coal for torches. I think I'm gonna use that as my mine. So I think my plan for season 1 is to cut down this forest, and then to build everything else up from the ground up. So this at the end should all be gone, because I will have a unendable supply of wood for sticks and stone and iron. So I should be golden. So it should be at the end of this season, be able to see him and cut that down. This entire area, this nice vast area, I should be able to see. So just gonna finish. I have over a stack of wood, which is good. So I'm gonna finish doing my stairs. Just 2. There's that one. Oh God, didn't see that one. I need to reinforce these, and I'm going to put cobblestone all around them, because I need to really reinforce them. Oh God, it's raining. Oh my goodness. Freaking beginner's luck. Beginner's luck. I'm telling you. Swear to God, if it starts storming again, I'm done. Not actually gonna be done, but I'm gonna guess see some more of this. but no need to demo. Alright. I think actually 5 would be, but just, oh, I broke glass. Storm broke glass. I'm gonna finish this side, and then I'm gonna take a nap in Minecraft. No. Alright. Yeah, so I actually have a lot more broken items than I thought I did. But, nothing to fear. I have more spades. So, let's see if I can. Oh no, I can't even navigate these freaking flying stairs. So that one is broken, and this one is broken. Check everything else. Nope, nothing else. Alright, sweet. Can go to Oop. Alright. Where's the loader? I'm gonna use the loader. I'm gonna try 28 stairs for now. It's starting to get laggy. I'm gonna check something real quick. That could be why, actually. Yeah, see, clear as day. It all depends on what you have freaking window distance set to. Sometimes my window distance changes. So, I don't know why. So I may actually need more slab. Actually, no, I don't. Perfect. Maybe. Let's see how it's priced. I'm gonna take it away from my house because last time it blew up. Enemy. Bad time for me. I'll stop looking. Come here. Where are they? Where are they? Ooh, almost close. Ah, got it. I'm a master, guys. I'm a master. What can I say? I've only been playing Minecraft for the past 4 years of my life. I'm still not creative whatsoever. But, nonetheless, I'm a master. Ooh, actually, that's good. Leave this off the window. That could be pretty good, yeah, actually. But I'm gonna stare. So there's no more slabs. So I'm gonna need a stair. Ouch. It could actually work. If I have stair there. Just copy that side. Ooh, this could look good. This could look good. And then I'll put glass. Okay, yeah. Got it. Cool. Alright, so I'm gonna need to make more glass panes. I'm gonna bring this block up one. I'm gonna bring all the blocks up one. And I'm gonna build across with glass, which will look pretty cool. Actually, no, I'm not gonna put that one up because I'm gonna build up. I'm gonna build around the glass. Oh, I did have glass on me. I didn't think so. Alright. Keep going. Alright. This could work. This could work. Might actually make that different wood. Yeah, I think I might make this a different wood, the stairs. That doesn't really look good. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Make this look beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This could actually look kind of good. Alright. Sorry, episode 2 is pretty good. Or it's not pretty good. It's kind of boring. You know, I'm just building my house up. There's not really much I can do. It's not my fault storm comes, alright? But after that, I don't know. I'm probably just going to, after that, I'm probably just gonna close off for episode 2. And I'll post this one tomorrow, actually. Jeez. It's gonna take forever to just finally get one right. Do I have my slabs still? No. Alright, I think I'm just gonna put a stair right here. Go up. Yeah, looks good. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Alright, so for this one, put a stair here. Alright, hold on. So where did that log go? Did this one take out some of the dark wood? It did. It did. Alright. It took out, like, 2 blocks. 2 wood logs. Bang. Alright, guys, I'm gonna pause this video until I get back. Alrighty, guys. Well, looks like it's nice and done. Let's see how it looks out here. See, now I can have a better view of the sky. So I can see, like, when there's a storm and crap. So, I'm pretty sure it should be good. So I'm just gonna put everything away that I need right now. I'm actually gonna take out some of the wood. I'm making the chest. So I don't know why there's a block there, but I'm not gonna actually. Yeah, I'm just gonna destroy it right now. All right. So this concludes the episode 2 of Tornado Survival Series. So sorry, this episode was also boring, kind of like episode 1. I don't know. You guys got to see a storm, which I think is pretty cool for the first part. But I mean, I agree it should be a little more spicy though. So I think. Next episode, I'm going to do the hardwood, the flooring in the house. And then after I do that, I'm going to come over here. And there's a creeper over there. I don't even care if that creeper sees me. But, so I'm going to come over here. So over here, you guys can see the torch and this birch wood. I'm gonna build a weather tower. So the weather tower's purpose is just to tell me where the tornado's path went. So I'm gonna have the weather tower stack up to, I don't know how high. My guess would probably be, yeah, I don't even know. I think, ouch. I think where I'm gonna put it is somewhere high enough where I can see it from out here. So if I'm voyaging to like over there and I need to see something and it's that high, then yeah, should be good. So I'll probably stack it higher than this tree. I'll probably stack it about, I'm gonna say 10 blocks up from this tree. So it's about up there. I'm gonna build out so it actually looks like a tower. And I'm going to have a probe up there with the torch. So, it's going to look pretty cool. Promise you. So, alright. Well, that concludes episode 2 of Tornado Survival Series. Sorry that this episode was just a tad bit boring. It was a little more exciting than last episode. It was just right after the storm. That wasn't that exciting. So, ooh, we have a pumpkin patch. But, yeah. So, please remember to drop a like down below. Comment some suggestions that you want me to build to help me survive. And I'll see you guys in the next episode. thank you all for watching, and take care.